Today let me show you what we've done on the bee structure. Let me just show you, and I've not brought my tripod, but this is like a good place for our bees. And then we're just bringing in the materials today. Let me just show you. So this is the place that we found ideal over here. So over there, we've not even cut the trees, so we've just removed some of the branches on this tree and this other tree, and now we have a space, like a square space, that we are going to build our bee house. Let me show you. I hope it's clear because there's a lot of sun. So this bee house will hold 20 beehives for now, and over there, inside there, we are going to put a water point for the bees, and then all this vegetation will be just will act as a roof for the bees, and then that's where we farm actually. But right there we are going to put feeds. And that's how the structure is. Let me just show you. So that's where we are going to put up the materials that we are doing. And then those are the trees that we are not going to cut. So in between the beehives, you'll have like a small forest. It's kind of like a small forest. If you see where I'm standing, it's a small forest that will house the bees. Okay. And we will have like a structure that holds 20 of them. It will have wire mesh, and it will also have a small door or a gate, because of course we don't want people coming in through the lower side of the farm and stealing the beehives. Though I've not even seen issues about theft over here. I think it's a very nice place. We don't have such issues. But of course, you can't just ignore. You need to put some security measures just to make sure that you're on the right, you're doing the right thing. So we are going to put a door, wire mesh, a door, and then we'll do the roofing. This project, I presume, will take about 3 weeks or so, or maybe 4. So coming July, we should be able to have our first beehives, 20 beehives. And just to see how that goes, if the structure itself can hold 40 beehives, but for now we are going to start with 20. So if the 20 gives us, or if the project is good and ideal and it gives us more, or it becomes profitable, we will fine-tune it to 40. And then from 40 we can also construct another house over here, or maybe within this space over here. So there is room for growth, which I like. But again, bees are good because you don't need to waste your time, or or maintenance. The maintenance is quite low. So you have the beehives there, then you forget about the project for 6 months, and then you come back and have your bees. I'm hoping that's the scenario, or that's the case, and I hope that it will do well as planned. So thank you so much for coming in here and joining us today. If you'd like to know more about bees, please follow us. I'm going to take you step by step on how we are going to do the project, and we are going to learn together. It's not like I know anything about bees, but I'm learning in the process, one beehive at a time. Thank you so much for being here. I've not carried my tripod, so my hand is almost freezing. And thank you for being here. Bye.